Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how you can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A36 with any Android TV. First of all, here we are giving a disclaimer that phone is used to here is not actually A36 but for educational and demo purpose. This Samsung phone is used to don't say that this is not A36, this is not A36 like that. Okay, actually we have used another phone and the same procedure is used, so here for educational purpose this phone is used. Okay, let's learn how you can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A36 with any Android TV. First of all, make sure that you have connected your phone and TV to a common Wi-Fi. Okay, make sure that you have connected to a common Wi-Fi. You can also create mobile hotspot from your phone and connect that mobile hotspot as a Wi-Fi to your TV. That will also work. Okay, here I am going to connect a common Wi-Fi. So make sure that you are checking it. So here I am checking. Go to the phone and go to Wi-Fi section of phone and see here Durai 5G is used as a Wi-Fi for my phone. So this Durai 5G should also be used in my TV too for connecting my TV. That will also that actually acts as a common Wi-Fi. So go to your TV now and select the settings of TV to find out the Wi-Fi. So here I am going to settings of my TV. This is the settings and just I click on it and click on network and internet and click on Wi-Fi, and you are seeing here Durai 5G is already connected to my TV. So Durai 5G is the common Wi-Fi for my both phone and TV. Then come to your phone. Come to your phone and go to Google Play Store and search Google Home app. I have already searched Google Home app here and just install this Google Home app. Just wait for downloading and installing. Just wait few seconds. Yes, installation is going on, and yes, it is finished. And open Google Home app from your phone and follow the on-screen instructions. Just click on get started and click on next. If it is asking any permission, just give it, and here you go to select the email ID for your Google Home app. What email ID you got to use? Here is this big question. Okay, so here you have to use the same email ID that you have used in your TV too. Okay, so here I am using this one because I have used this Durai Princey in the my TV too. Okay, and click on next and give permission, and if it is asking location access, click on next and give permission. Actually location is not needed for screen mirroring, so just I skip this step. You can also skip, and here go to devices so that you will find the Android TV device in your phone. That is because you have connected your TV to the common Wi-Fi from your phone, and yes, it is showing here. Just click on the TV device here and click on cast my screen and click on cast screen and click on start now. Now your phone screen will be mirrored to TV. See, so